My name's Louis Jamail. I'm the core simulation supervisor, and you're at Ford's Dynamic Driving Simulator here in Dearborn, Michigan. We use this facility to develop from concept to production all of our production vehicles here at Ford. We've shared time building up this technology with Ford Racing as well down at our Charlotte Racing facility. And we've been working the last 7 to 8 years to build up our simulation and simulator capabilities here at Ford for all of our virtual development, help speed products to market and become a much more efficient company.
Yeah, the technology always evolves, right? So it's okay. So you can get yourself comfortable. The seat controls are the same as a normal car.
So this would be like if I'm actually driving.
Yeah, it should feel like an F-150 on a highway.
Oh, wow.
Yep. And then if you need to adjust the column, you can.
No, I think it's fine.
Okay, great.
It seems a little looser than.
Oh, once it starts, you'll get.
Oh, I
torque.
see.
This is just.
You can go or something that you can compare to the real experience. At
Yeah,
least. How
so-
close is it? I guess is
Yeah, so it depends on what number we're talking about, but so the cool thing is our offline metrics where we calculate all those numbers are the same models that you're driving here. So for some things they're quite accurate, and at worst they can be kind of 75-80% there.
Oh, okay.
And we just have good experience on knowing what we want to trust and what we need to do physically, and that's the virtual and the physical going hand in hand.
You cannot get off this track. Like there's no.
So yeah, we've only scanned the dirt, like the dirt road portion. The rest of it is just the visuals, so that there's no surface. Like you won't fall off the map, so to speak, until it won't have the content.
Wow. So what if I go over the brushes here? Like they will stop?
No, it won't stop, but you do we don't have the surface information because it's a
I
visual
see.
scan. And if there's like a bump under there, it'll be quite jarring. So we try to make it as real for people. So if you hit a pothole hard, it's not fun for you. So this is a real road that we use outside of our Arizona studio. Okay. And both the surface and the visuals are scanned exactly from that road. I feel like Jim Carrey in that scene in Ace Ventura 2.